Ever wondered how the food you eat becomes a part of you? Let's dive into the fascinating world of digestion. It's this intricate process that breaks down the food we consume into simpler substances, which our bodies can absorb and utilize. There are two main types of digestion at play here: mechanical and chemical. Mechanical digestion involves physically breaking down food, while chemical digestion uses enzymes to further refine these pieces into absorbable nutrients. So every time you eat, remember, it's not just about filling your stomach. It's a complex process that keeps you alive and kicking. Now let's talk about the building blocks of your food, the macro and micromolecules. Macromolecules are the big players in your meals. They include proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Proteins are the body's building blocks, helping to build and repair tissues. Carbohydrates are your body's main source of energy, while fats store energy and help with nutrient absorption. Switching gears, let's look at micromolecules, the smaller yet equally important components of your food. These include vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are essential for various bodily functions, from bolstering your immune system to strengthening your bones. Minerals, on the other hand, are important for growth, bone health, and fluid balance. Remember, these molecules don't work in isolation. They work together to ensure your body functions optimally. So, from a juicy steak to a refreshing salad, every food you consume is a mix of these macro and micromolecules. But do you know that not all components of your food go through the process of digestion? Yes, you heard it right. Uniquely, vitamins and minerals, vital elements in our diet, don't undergo digestion like fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Why is that, you ask? Well, unlike these macromolecules, which need to be broken down into simpler forms, vitamins and minerals are already in their simplest absorbable forms. These micronutrients do not require the same laborious digestive process. Instead, once they're liberated from the food matrix through the process of digestion, they're directly absorbed into the bloodstream. This is done mostly in the small intestine, where they hitch a ride on transport proteins, whisking them off to where they're needed most in your body. Vitamins and minerals are crucial for various bodily functions, from bone health to brain function. So remember, they're not just part of your diet, they're ready-to-use nutrients. That's why vitamins and minerals are often referred to as ready-to-use nutrients. Now, let's move on to some other interesting terms related to digestion: ingestion and digestion. Ingestion, simply put, is the act of taking in food. It's the first step in the digestive process, and it happens every time you take a bite of your favorite meal or sip your morning coffee. Once the food enters your mouth, it's officially on its digestive journey. On the other end, we have egestion. This is the final act in the digestive process, and it's all about elimination. After your body has extracted all the nutrients it needs from the food, there's usually some leftover material. This waste, made up of undigested food parts and other substances, is expelled from the body through egestion. So, you see, ingestion and digestion are like the bookends of digestion. They mark the beginning and end of the journey that your food takes through your body. So, ingestion and digestion are the opening and closing acts of your body's amazing digestive performance. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. Digestion comes in two forms: mechanical and chemical, each playing a vital role in breaking down food. Macro and micromolecules, ranging from carbohydrates and proteins to vitamins and minerals, contribute to our nutritional intake. Interestingly, vitamins and minerals are directly absorbed, bypassing the digestion process. And let's not forget ingestion, the intake of food, and digestion, the elimination of waste. So, the next time you sit down for a meal, remember the fantastic journey your food takes to keep you healthy and energized. Bon appetit!